So number 8 out of 10. And this is for all the Porsche and Gemballa lovers in the world.
There are thousands of this.
Yes.
And this is a unique, special.
And where is this going? The one inside will go to Middle East, and this is going to?
This is a factory car.
Okay, it's stay in the factory.
Okay.
So here we are with a Gemballa test driver, we can say. Ah, yeah, I noticed the camera. Okay, here we have it. Yes, good throttle response. Now we're up in 110 euros.
1,100. This is the police with that. Catch you.
Immediately. So what is done to the engine of the Mirage compared to the Carrera GT?
Just the fine tuning. At the moment it's just the fine tuning.
Ah.
So the difference is, you know, we have around 650 horsepower, but we are on the way to develop something big different.
Yes,
so,
because it's amazing that it's actually a market to tune the Carrera GT.
Yeah.
What is around?
I mean, it's not a tuned one. It's a
refined.
It's a Carrera GT from the basic, but at least it's a Gemballa Mirage. Nothing at least have really something to do with the Carrera GT. So the bodywork is changed, everything.
Oh, really?
So with the rear wing, so everything.
So you could say almost all of the panels are changed, or?
Yeah, so it's all in carbon fiber. It's like I say.
And the Carrera GT has aluminum, or?
No, but it's not all of carbon fiber like that.
Ah, okay.
Yeah. And it's a wider body, like I say, with other brakes. Everything is different. If you watch a regular Carrera GT, and if you see this one, so it's a big difference.
And you also have navigation in the Carrera GT, which you don't have in the standard.
Yeah, correct.
And what is the around? Is it 100 or between 100,000 and 200,000 euros for the package?
You have to speak with Mr. Gemballa himself.
Okay. Wow. Okay. Thank you very much.
You can go with us back with the Cayenne then.
Oh yes, of course.
Okay.
Gemballa Mirage number 10. Nice. Very nice. So should I jump into the Cayenne? Oh yeah, we should see the beautiful. So everything is stripped on the Carrera GT basically.
This has nothing to do with it. This is not original, this is not original, nothing has to do with original Carrera GT.
And it opens the other way, doesn't it? Carrera GT is the other way.
You're clever.
Yes.
Actually design everything, you know?
Yes.
Because normally it's like this.
And the wheels might be even lighter also, maybe, and larger carbon brakes, ceramic brakes.
Yeah.
I think maybe the standard Carrera GT has that as well. And is this adjustable?